Here at the Clifton Gorge State Nature Preserve. Just outside of Clifton, Ohio, and near Yellow Springs. Wow. That is some angry water there. Look at how fast that is flowing. Wow. Some fast moving water right there. Thought the rain would never stop. It finally stopped, and that's what the end result is. Of course, as soon as I show up, there's no one here, and then when I get here, there's like 5 vehicles pull up. One van has like 10 people in it. So yeah, if I don't talk much or I'm quiet, that's why. Pleasant weather conditions here, about 72. Very humid though. Welcome to May. What a mess. You can just hear that water roaring. Really cool area down here. Interesting geology and geography. I guess geology would be the right word. Or terrain. It definitely breaks up the monotonous flatlands of the northwest area. I'm interested to see this main gorge. It's gonna be kind of cool. Pretty nice. Pleasant out here. You can stay ahead of all those people. So I'll cut the video here and come on back. I mean, I guess I could roll it straight through. It's gonna get kind of boring. I don't think it's that far down. It's just half a mile. Well, half a mile on this kind of path is gonna take like half an hour. I think we're getting near it. So I'll cut this and come back. This is called the Patterson Mill Overlook. There used to be a mill on this site, because of course they could harness the power of this water. And it just makes sense to have had a mill here. And there's a lot of mills around here. The Clifton Mill back in town, and the Grinnell Mill closer to Yellow Springs. Quite a few around here. We are way up here. Very rough terrain. Gotta really watch your step. The entire time you just hear that rushing water below. Wow. What a trip. Look at that. Wow. This doesn't do it justice. Alright, we're gonna keep walking and I'll cut it again here. Come on back. This is the Cedar Garden overlook. This is the time to see this place because there's so much raging water. It's really impressive. Really quite surreal. So we're going to make our way on out of here. The Clifton Gorge State Nature Preserve. Very cool. Very cool place. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll come back one more time and wrap it. So, there you go. Wow, that is some very ferocious water. Crazy. Fascinating place. Really amazing, the power of water and nature. Takes your breath away. I'll say it again, like I said many times, the camera doesn't do it justice nearly. Not even close. But that, how it speeds up and slows down depending on the width of the gorge is amazing. Like down there where I just came from, there's an area where it's like a pool, very quiet and tranquil, and then it gets raging again farther down, and right back there there's a place that gets much narrower and it is just raging water. Amazing. Very cool. You can hear this side, it's quieted down. Farther down there, it's like a roar, and a thundering roar. All that rain we've had channeling down in there. They don't mess with that. There's a sign they have back there. It's like, danger, falling from rock face could result in death. Stay on path. Yeah, really. No kidding. I wouldn't bring someone here that was a small child or had a hard time walking because you just couldn't navigate it safely. Very uneven, rocky, very dangerous terrain. My kind of thing, really. So that's gonna do it. Hope you enjoyed the tour. I mean, there's probably a lot more to see, I'm sure there is, but I just kind of wanted to come on down and capture it. Really cool area. So that's gonna do it. We'll get down to the end here and cut it. Please do not enter. Yeah, going past these walls is gonna result in sheer death. Certain death. No kidding. Ay, ay, ay. Constant sound of the raging stream below. Alright, we're gonna end it here. I'll keep saying that. We'll end it over here. Thanks for watching.